It's as easy as that. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
I hope you had a really nice Thanksgiving. I know I did, and now I'm getting ready for the holidays. So I thought, what if we made some really pretty candle holders using this glass that I had, and then we could put in I know you're not going to be able to see it very well, but putting in a battery operated candle, and we could put these out on our tables. So I'll show you how I did it. I'm using a different kind of glass because these are two that I had at my house and I wasn't worried about using.
So it's a good way to repurpose a glass that is not, maybe was part of a set and it's the last one left, or...
Exactly. So we have glue, a paintbrush, and glitter, and you're done. That's the whole thing. Ask permission first though. Don't just take a glass out of the cupboard. What we're going to do is I'm just going to paint some glue on. It's as easy as that. And you can do it at different heights. So it just looks like a frosted glass. So I'm doing one side, to start with. And I'm going to do my glitter over this piece of paper so that it's easy to clean up.
And is this glue that you can wash?
Well, it's school glue, so you couldn't. But you could get some dishwasher safe glue if you wanted to. Okay, so there's one side. I'm going to go all the way around. I know, I think it's going to be so pretty on the table. Yeah. I think it'll be really pretty. I did two sides that time. So I'm going to, again, just flop it on here. It's so fun and so easy. Okay, now let's see. Did I get it all the way around? Yes. Look, it was as easy as that. Now I'm going to let it dry, and then I can put in a candle just like this one and flip that on. This light is kind of fun because it looks like it flickers. And I'll put that in. Imagine the lights are down, everything's ready. And because I did this on a piece of paper, I can put my glitter back in the box, back in the container. So I'll do that. You should always remember to clean up after yourself so that no one else has to do it. All right. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye, friends.